Our huge tree is being eaten by beetles. It's a little too big for me to handle, so I gotta call one of my friends from the Avengers to come help me take it down.
Oh, smash!
The Hulk did a great job and was able to knock down a lot of these branches.
We needed a little bit of help, so we called Spidey.
We need one last push from Hulk.
Oh, smash!
The tree is down. Thanks for your help, Hulk.
So, if you're wondering what these lines are, they're the beetle marks. And the sap is the tree's blood. So if it gets cut, it comes to heal it.
A lot of sap.
And this kind of looks like Asgard.
Yep. Thor's gonna get that as a gift from Hulk. Tell us about the rings.
So each ring is a year.
How old is this tree, Jordan?
52.
52 years old. And the beetles finally killed it off.
If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.